Hi, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are filming for the week of September 7th to the 13th using our September mystery kit that came in the shop, and it's called Witch's Brew. I absolutely loved this kit. I wanted to use it so bad, but I didn't want to use it for Halloween week. So I'm using it a couple weeks ahead, and I just love the colors. I thought it was just so pretty. So if you were not able to grab this kit, you can still grab it when our kits come back in December for our mystery kit bring back week. So if you want this kit, go grab it because it is stunning. So I'm starting with the bottom washi, and I'm using this nude color from Simply Gilded, and then I'm going to put down the washi that came in the kit, and I'm going to layer that washi with our confetti overlays. So our 15 millimeter bottom washi, it comes in two different sizes, 15 millimeter and then the full bottom washi size. I'm using the 15 millimeter right now, and I think it looks so pretty. I'm going to be using rose gold foil for the entire spread. And then I'm going to put my full boxes down and my glitter headers. For my glitter header overlays, I'm using the star header overlays. And for the full boxes, I'm going to be using the stars and the moons full boxes from our shop, as well as some deco. So in one of my sales, I had some Halloween icons that came in different foiled colors and as part of like a freebie. And I'm going to be using those in the corners to be like photo corners in a sense for my full boxes. I think they turned out super cute. I was very happy with them. And yeah, so I'm going to go and do all that now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have all my full boxes and overlays done, I just went and put my washi banner at the top, and I'm gonna go put my date squares on now, on my date covers. And again, we're using the rose gold color that comes in my shop. I think I used all the new rose gold, I fully believe, because our new rose gold is a little bit more pinky toned as opposed to more coppery toned, and I really, really like our new stuff. So I think I switched now to all of our new stuff. Okay, so just to jump in the video here, we have our date covers on as well as our weekend banner, and we're working on our sidebar. So I just went and put some more of that nude colored, or it's like a light pinky color, I don't know, Simply Gilded washi underneath our full box, and my gratitude box for the week, which was definitely having a nice warm home. You'll see it's been quite the big event for the weekend, so you'll understand later. My anxiety tracker as well as my currently reading box, and then I just put some more that Simply Gilded washi, and then my picture for the week is us building a snowman at our house. Okay, so moving on to the day-to-day. On Monday was my cleaning day, so I just took a Planner Mania girl holding her spray bottle to mark my cleaning day. I always like that girl. I think she's really cute. However, some of the ones that I have left are quite big. I know she's got like quite a variety on her sheets, and the ones I had left were quite big, so I think they work really well in half boxes. I did some printing and cutting this day, so that laptop sticker is from Be Happy Plans. And then I went to wash my car. So the wash the car sticker is from our shop, and I just layered it with some washi that came in the kit. And then I vacuumed my car, so I just took a vacuum sticker from our vacuum sheet. And then my daughter had sparks in the evening, and then I cleaned up the garden again, and that little garden sticker is from Be Happy Plants. I love those. I think they are adorable, and they're nice and small so that you can fit more stuff in your spreads. On Tuesday, I went to Tim's with my mom in the morning. So I used a donut box from Busy Lizzie Plans to mark going for coffee with my mom. And then I did some designing in the morning, so I just used some washi strips that came in the kit, and I used a design sticker from Planner Monkey Co. Then in the afternoon I did some printing and cutting, so I used a printer icon from Planner Monkey Co. as well. And then we went to Giant Tiger in the afternoon. I had to go pick up some groceries, so I just used the shopping cart icon that came in the kit. Now originally I had written co-op because I was looking at the wrong day while I was planning, but you'll see I do end up changing it right after. In the afternoon, my daughter had piano, so I used an appointment label and a music icon to mark her going to piano. It's really cool because right now she's playing a lot of Christmas music, which is really fun. So she's able to actually recognize the tune, and then she can kind of sing along with it, so it makes it sound better for her because she can actually understand what the song is supposed to sound like, not like some of the songs that you get in piano lessons where no one's ever heard of them. So it's pretty neat to watch her grow in piano. I went to the bank in the afternoon as well, so I took a Planner Mania girl holding all her money to go to the bank. And then I had yoga in the evening, so I used one of our yoga poses to mark yoga, and then I just filled in that extra space with some more of that Simply Gilded washi. I like these poses. I think they're nice and simple, and they just kind of work with so many different spreads just because they're just black and white. I always like that because it's sometimes hard to match colors. On Wednesday, I had a massage appointment, so I used an appointment label and a massage sticker from our shop to mark that. And then I did some designing when I came home, so I just layered some washi from the kit along with a design sticker from Planner Monkey Co. These are quickly becoming some of my favorite stickers. And then I did some more printing and cutting, so another silhouette machine from Planner Monkey Co. And then I actually designed some labels from one of our local hairstylists. She actually came out with what she calls her brow box, and it has different colors in there for you to like shape your eyebrows and stuff like that. So she has different shades of colors, so I just I made her labels to put on the back of her boxes. So I had to go and meet with her just to see if she liked what I had designed so far. So I used an appointment label along with an alarm clock to mark that. And then my daughter had Sparks on Monday, and she had to sell Girl Guide cookies. So we had a whole bunch of cookies that we had to drop off to different places. So I used a car to mark going to do that because we had to go to a whole bunch of different houses to bring people their Girl Guide cookies. And then this is where I actually went to co-op this day. So I used a Prairie Girl with her little shopping bag for co-op. And then my sister came over in the afternoon, so I used a Planner Mania sticker with 2 girls. These are definitely my favorite stickers. On Thursday, I actually volunteered in my daughter's classroom in the morning. It was so fun. I got to help them make a turkey craft. It was so cute, like for Thanksgiving. Oh, I loved it so much. I hope I get to go again soon because these kids are just hilarious and the things they tell you. I don't know, I loved it so much. And then since my grandma was watching my son TJ while I was helping out in Cheyenne's class, then afterwards I just stayed and visited with her. So I just used that coffee or a teacup from the deco in the kit to mark visiting with my grandma. And then for lunch this day we had McDonald's, so that French fry sticker is from our fast food sheet. Then I just used a piece of the washi that came in the kit just to fill in that extra space, just because I didn't want to use some more of that, some green washi, and I just felt like it was just too much green in that area. In the evening I did some designing, so that computer sticker is from the kit, and then I bathed the kids, so I used a Prairie Girl in her bathtub, and then I ended up going to Ashley's house in the evening to puzzle, so I just used a puzzle icon from our shop to mark puzzling. So Friday is kind of where it starts getting pretty crazy. We woke up in the morning and the kids had a snow day from school, so I just used that snow day sticker from our school events sheet. And then I did some printing and cutting, so I used a laptop sticker for that, and totally didn't realize how much snow we were getting. We ended up getting a huge snowstorm, huge. So I used a blizzard sticker from our weather sampler sheet to mark the blizzard, and then we lost our power this day as well, so that candle sticker is from Be Happy Plans, and Ashley and her husband were actually over in that day because Ashley comes and cuts for me on Friday, so we ended up just making grilled cheese on our camp barbecue. So we had it in the garage because we had no power and we didn't know how to make supper. So my husband made a bunch of grilled cheese on our barbecue in the garage. It was really funny and we had a good laugh about it. So I used a meal icon to mark that. And then we said goodbye to them in the evening. They left and then they came back inside and their car was completely stuck. They could not leave. We had no idea how much snow there actually was, and it was so heavy because it wasn't even cold out. So it was just this really thick, heavy, wet snow that no one could move. So they ended up having to sleep over at our house. So that sleepover sticker was actually from a sampler, and I think it's funny that I had actually got to use it. On Saturday was my sister-in-law Judy's birthday, and then I ended up working on some stock labels. We're working really hard to carry a lot more stock as opposed to just printing orders as they come in. And so I just want to say I'm super thankful that our power only went out for 2 hours in this storm because it was pretty nuts. Like the whole province basically got shut down. There was people without power for up to 3, I think some of them even 4 weeks. It was nuts. So if you were one of those people, I feel very sorry, and I hope everybody was safe, and I'm very glad that we were safe because it was quite quite the ordeal. Places were shut down for quite a long time. On Saturday, I did some more printing and cutting, so I used a Prairie Girl on her laptop for that. And then we went to McDonald's this evening, so I used a hamburger from the fast food sheet. And there was just so much snow. There was trees down, there was like tons and tons of hydro poles all down. It looked like a tornado had gone through our area. It was just a disaster. Like parks were all closed for weeks because they're still trying to clear off all those trees. Everything was just pushed down. So many people's decks got wrecked and roofs were wrecking, eaves troughs were breaking. So it was just so much snow. I wanted to mark it, so I used the snow icon from the weather sampler sheet. And then this day I actually finished watching Jane the Virgin. Oh my word, it is so, so good. If you guys haven't finished it, you need to. It's so good. So I used a TV icon that came in the kit. On Sunday, we ended up building a snowman because the wet snow was just perfect for that. So I used this Build a Snowman sticker from our winter bucket list. And then I just cut down the Make Chili sticker from the winter bucket list just to cut off the icon to mark making homemade soup. And then I did a bunch of planning this day, so I used a planner washi stack. And then I puzzled with Ashley in the evening, so I used a puzzle icon. So now I'm just going to go in and put some random deco in, as well as fill out my sidebar. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!